People in the design industry are not being rejected or ghosted because they don't have the skills. It's because they're not visually articulating their expertise in a manner that a hiring manager wants to take action. Now, they're not looking for the polished article. However, they are looking for people who show their design process, are aware of presentation skills, and demonstrate their passion for the industry. Once a hiring manager visualizes you working in their offices on their projects, that's more powerful than any big name on a CV, and that is what makes a difference when it comes to standing out from the crowd. Now, I'm making it my mission to pass on 27 years of feedback from Tier 1 companies in our Portfolio Masterclass, where you'll cover how to present your work and what drawings to include, depending on your job title. You'll learn all about the meaning behind fonts and colours, as well as learning those all-important presentation skills. So please join me on the Portfolio Masterclass, and I look forward to seeing you over there.